we're getting out of school. Awesome. The concert rehearsal was pretty lame, though.
Oh yeah.
Hi, Heather.
Hola.
Uranus.
I'm on the phone.
It's Christine and Claudia. Claudia's the kind of the crazy one with the big butt.
Hello.
They were leaving.
Christine, what do you like?
All leaving.
I like your lip. Hey, Dad. Hola.
Okay. Wait, hold on. Christine, keep walking.
Why?
Keep walking. Walk in front of us. Hey.
I'm scared too.
Can you walk in front? Keep walking. Ah! Okay. Heather, record us. Watch. Keep walking. Watch this, guys.
All right.
Hey, you. Shortstop. I don't want you anymore. Okay, and that's it.